Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Jordan 1 Black Toe Low Top Edition, man. You know, we're going to go over the look. We're going to go over the sizing. I got to give you an on feet, and it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. So I do have my box right here. I did pick these up through the SNKRS app. So, you know, I've been having some pretty good luck in the SNKRS app. Got my trusty box cutter. Let me go ahead and give it a good old slice. We're going to peel it back. Let's open this bad boy all the way up. And here we go. We got the first look. Let me just go ahead and show you what that looks like on the inside. Here we go. We got our standard box right here. Let's see. Yeah, we got our standard Nike box. Mine is a little dented up. I'm not really tripping because I usually don't keep them in the box. I usually keep them in the clear storage containers anyway. But let's just take a look. It does say Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. White, black, varsity red, and I got these in my true size, which is a size 10 right there. So very nice classic box, you feel me? Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay, very nice, just what I was expecting. Actually a little bit different from what I was expecting. I thought they had black laces, but it looks like I have red laces in mine. But let's take, ooh, very nice. Let's take a look at the shoe, man. Classic colorway right here. And I know you probably like, Ace, man, you got a lot of black and red shoes, but I do not have the black toe Jordan 1s, man. And the black toe is like one of the 4 original Jordan 1 colorways. You know, you got the bread, you got the Chicago, you got the Royals, and you got the black toe. So this right here will kind of complete the set. Even though it's not the high, it will complete the set of the original 4 colors of the Jordan 1, man. So nice bright red shoelaces right here. We got the paper right there, and it's a classic silhouette, man. The leather's feeling really good on this. It's feeling pretty high quality. Yeah, we got some good leather right here, man. And like I said, this is like a perfect summer shoe, spring shoe, just because of the low top nature of it. But I mean, you can always get these off during the fall, winter as well, man. We have that classic black toe right around the front. We have that red heel. We have the Jordan on the back of the heel tab right there. Black tongue, Nike Air in red. It's another classic colorway. Now, if I don't have black laces, I'll probably just buy a pair to throw in here because I don't really see myself really rocking the red laces like that. I've even seen people put like the sail color laces, which looks pretty good. So, you know, we'll go ahead and put these on feet, man, so you can see what these look like on feet. Let me just take another look. Let's see the other shoe. And it looks like we do have black laces as well. So we have a second set of laces. And what I might do is I might just put a black pair of laces in one and keep the red in the other just for the on foot, you know, portion of the video. But we have that classic Jordan 1 bottom right there. And yeah, the quality is really nice on these. It reminds me a little bit of the UNC Jordan 1 lows, which I have as well. But yeah, we're gonna get to the on foot portion of the video, man. And right here I do have the shoes all laced up, and as you can see I have the black laces in this one right here. Now, being that these are low tops, they're very easy to put on, you know, as opposed to the highs. And I do like that about having the lows. They're very easy to put on. We got the black laces in one. We got the red laces in these. And I like the black laces probably for the way that I will wear them the majority of the time. But if you want, you know, a little bit more color or a little bit more contrast, you can definitely throw the red laces in. I feel like they both look good, and they both look good for different occasions. Now regarding the fit is actually really good. Now since they are a low top, you might have a little bit of heel slippage on the back, but I went with my true size and I feel like they're very comfortable, look good. I don't really have any issue with walking in them and having the foot come out, but you know, it's just a little something you might want to keep in mind. And right here I do have my first outfit. Now we have the Chicago Bulls Jordan jersey. Now this is the championship joint, you feel me? So this is like a real throwback, real vintage style. Then I went ahead and threw it on with the Nike woven shorts in red. The shoes are looking good. You know, we kind of have that 80s, you know, vintage vibe. Went ahead and threw the fitted on. Got the patches, you know, 6 rings for Jordan and all that, man. But Bulls fitted hat from Hat Club, pink bottom. The outfit looks really good. This is like a clean daytime fit. You know, I love a good daytime, day party type of an outfit. And you know I like to give a couple of different looks, man. So right here I did throw them on with a pair of black jeans, just so you can see what they look like with the jeans on. And I'm still a fan. I mean, they look good with the jeans or with the shorts. I feel like you can always dress these up or dress them down to have them on some casual stuff, but this is just like dressing them up a little bit. I went ahead and got a different outfit. This is something more for the nighttime. Got the black jeans. We got the varsity style jacket in that red. Jacket did come from Fashion Nova, but I think this is an overall very nice outfit, man. I like the way the jeans, they really kind of just sit on the top of the shoe, especially since it's a low top. It does sit pretty low on the shoe, which I do like. But yeah, this is just another good clean fit. And I also have a couple of other black and red fits on my Chicago Jordan 1 Lost and Found review. I think I have 2 or 3 different outfits on that, so if you want to see something else that'll match, go check out that video. But remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.